All right, so we've come a long way, and now it says that phase 7 is the largest phase with several distinct features. Let me clarify priorities. So we have to make a decision, and I'm gonna go with picky eater constraints. I wanna just try to keep this application a little bit tight. So I'm gonna review and submit. So this is all because I wanna quickly finish this application, and shortly I will show you the results. But before that, I guess there's a test. So test the app's most critical functions and features end to end. And I will show you during a recording how that looks. All right, so now it started the testing of the most critical functions and features end to end. So it's thinking, and now it's going to show you what it's actually doing here to the left. So it uses the browser and tries all the different things, which is a pretty cool feature. It hasn't existing for too long since this video has been recorded, but I think it's a fantastic feature. So make sure to use that testing feature if you have enough credits. Of course, it's costing you a few credits, but it's a great feature to try and to test all of the things that actually matters. And usually it finds errors and fixes them, which is a very nice feature to have. And yeah, we will see what it comes up with. And there we go. So it is finished doing the end-to-end test results, and it says all core features are working. Nice. No errors in console. All pages load correctly on mobile viewport. So let's try this for ourselves. I head home, and let's go to pantry. Here we have a camera. So I could use that one. I need to use my phone for that to work, so I will wait for it. We have a plan. No meals are planned. And I should be able to add. And here we can find some things. So let's just add a few meals. All right, let's head home. What's happening here? Okay, and here we go. Today's plan. So let's see what I can do. Okay, I can check this one. I can go into this. We can see all the ingredients. Excellent. We can also see the steps. And what happens if we click start cooking? There we go. All right, nice. So here we can see all the instructions that are needed, which is pretty neat. Go to next. And next, and next, and next. That's pretty cool, yeah. So something that would have been even more cool would be to add audio cues for the next instruction, since you could have a lot of stuff on your hands, you know? So you don't want to open up your phone and then click on next. So we could find out if there's a possibility to add a feature of that in the next video. So let's take a look at grocery. We don't have a grocery list. We can generate from meal plan. That is pretty cool. And here we go. So now we have a lot of stuff, and we can go and purchase this. We can also add stuff here, regenerate, which is, I guess, if we were adding more to our meal. So a lot of things are working for us. So I'm gonna be pretty happy with what we have built so far. But let's click on the 5p and panic button. There we go. Okay. Top recipes matched your current pantry. There we go. Okay. So it takes like not too many minutes, and you can just click on this one. Let's say this one. And here we go with all the ingredients. and start cooking. So yeah, overall, it's a pretty neat app. Now let's see if we can add one cool feature with audio cues. I'm not sure if it's gonna work. Let's just see.